I hear you're had some say in the art and music that's gone into the Juno mission, and there's been some Lego figures that have gone to Jupiter. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, I'm actually a big fan of the integration of art and science, and motivating and inspiring people to, just jump into innovation and kind of use their analytical reasoning skills along with their creativity. So I really feel that's important as we innovate and sort of join the revolution and the Renaissance. But early on, when we were developing Juno, I was looking for ways of reaching out to children to get them engaged. And I had a couple of small young kids, and they were really fascinated with Legos. And I thought, why not reach out to Lego? And I called them up one day, and they were really excited. And we ended up putting 3 Lego minifigures onto the spacecraft before we launched.
So what are the 3 figures?
So the 3 figures are Galileo, the astronomer, and then we have Juno, the goddess, and Jupiter, the god. Of course, those are Zeus and Hera in Greek, but Jupiter and Juno in Roman mythology.
That's absolutely amazing. Wow. Well, thank you very much.